बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर। My name is Muhammad Umar Khan. In this video, I will tell you about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's contribution for Indian Muslims. So, first of all, who was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? He was born in Delhi 1817, great Muslim scholar and reformer. Real name was Ahmad Taqi. His grandfather served as a prime minister twice at the Mughal court. That's why his family, he belonged to a rich family. That is the reason that he got his early education from different tutors, and his grandfather, due to this education, he was able to write many books. At that time, at his early age, he wrote Asara Sanadir, a book on archaeology. Archaeology means study of ancient buildings and sites. When Indian lost War of Independence 1857, after the war, British blamed Muslims behind this revolt, behind this mutiny, and that is the reason that after the war, Muslim condition went into decline economically, politically, socially. So at that time, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started Aligarh movement. The basic aim of this movement was improving relationship between British and Muslim, then encouraging Muslims to get Western education, then advising Muslims that they should stay away from politics. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan at the time thought that without good relations, Muslims can't improve their condition in the subcontinent. So for this purpose, trying to improve the Muslim condition and trying to convince British that Muslims were not a rebel nation, Muslims were not behind this revolt, he at that time wrote Causes of Indian Revolt, a pamphlet, then Loyal Muhammadan of India or Indian Musliman, a book. In Causes of Indian Revolt, he highlighted British causes, British works behind which led to the revolt in the subcontinent. He at that time highlighted that forcible conversion of Muslim into Christianity, then poor management of Indian army were the main reason behind the revolt. Then he at that time tried to convince British that all Muslims were not against you, all Muslims were not went into a war against you. For this purpose, he wrote Loyal Muhammadan of India, in which he highlighted the Muslims who worked with British during the revolt. Then, in reply to the William Moore book, he wrote Essay on the Life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in which he removed the misconcept of William Moore book. Then I already discussed that Asara Sanadir was a book on archaeology, study of ancient sites and buildings. He at that time tried to improve the Muslim educational condition. For this purpose, he established schools in Muradabad and Ghazipur. Then he at that time founded a scientific society. The purpose behind the scientific society was to translate British books into Urdu. Mainly these books were on scientific research. Then at the end of each year, mainly annually, a educational conference were held in different parts of the subcontinent where funds were generated for building new schools, colleges. Then the works of scientific society annually published in the form of Aligarh Institute Ghazal. He at that time wished to establish a university in the subcontinent like Cambridge and Oxford. For this purpose, he also visited UK, but British didn't allow him to set up a university in the subcontinent. So he first of all started MAO College, Muhammadan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh. Then after almost 22 years after his death, this college became university known as the Aligarh University. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Allah Hafiz.